The Rugby was a brand of automobile assembled by the Durant Motors Company of New York City, New York. Beside badges and right-hand drive for some models, the vehicle was identical to Durant's Star car, and was assigned to export markets by Durant Motors, due to the name Star being under copyright by the Star Motor Company in the British Commonwealth. The Rugby was built from 1923 and production ended in 1928 together with the Star. There were also commercial cars based on the Rugby. Very few Durant commercial vehicles were rebadged Rugbys and sold in the U.S. for 1928. Production of is confirmed for the Durant plants: Elizabeth, New Jersey, Lansing, Michigan, Long Island City, New York, Oakland, California, Leaside, Canada.